Hello, friends, and welcome to another episode of Math is Fun. Even I'm super excited by connecting you daily. And today I've come with another tip, or I should say, trick of Vedic Maths, where we'll be learning how to multiply by 9. Now, 9 is a beautiful whole number, and you'll just see because in the previous two sessions I taught you how to multiply by 11 and 12, but this time it's different because multiplying by 9, we are actually including three tricks in this video. So just watch out. Let me connect you with my whiteboard first. Yes, multiplication by 9. Now, in this, the main rule is by one less than the one before. But before going on to that rule, let us use an additional rule here, all from 9 and last from 10. Now, why this rule is needed? Because in using this tip or trick, whatever you want to say, we need to find the complement of the number. Now, what is all about that? Let's understand. Okay. Now, let's say my number is 234, right? So I have to find out the complement of this number. So what I will do is I will actually subtract 2 from 9, as I said, all from 9, right? So 9 minus 2, we get 7. Then 9 minus 3, I get 6. And the tip says all from 9 and last from 10. So I'll subtract 4 from 10. So I get 766. Simple. Let me just tell you again. If I have to find the complement of 234, so what I have to do is subtract 2 by 9, so I get 7, subtract 3 from 9, then I get 6. The last is from 10, so 10 minus 4, that is 6. Simple. So now let's go on to our main multiplication trick. Now, let me erase this first. Yeah. Now, the type 1, as I've already written there, like 123 multiply by 999, or 34 multiply by 99. Now, what is the similarity in these two questions? That the multiplicand, that is 123, and the multiplier, that is 999, both have equal number of digits. You can check it in 123 into 999 and 34. It's a two double digit, so I'm multiplying it by double nine. Another two number digit, right? Two digit number, sorry. So let's move on how to actually do this. Now, let's say 34 multiply by 99. Now, how to do that? And in fact, if you practice, you can actually do it orally. What we'll do, I'll subtract 1. Now, because the rule is by 1 less than the one before, right? So 34 minus 1 becomes 33. And now I'll find the complement of 34. So that is 9 minus 3, I get 6. And 10 minus 4, because the last one has to be done from 10, 10 minus 4 is 6. Wow, I got the answer. See how simple? Let's do another one. 123 multiply by 999, right? So obviously, by traditional method, you will take much more time. But see what I did? I subtracted 1. So I'll subtract 1 from 123. I'll get 122. And now I'll find the complement of 123. So subtracting from 9, right? So 9 minus 1, that becomes 8. 9 minus 2, that becomes 7. And last one from 10. So 10 minus 3, that becomes 7. Simple. And I have the answer. Let me explain to you again. 34 multiplied by 99. Let's do that one first. So I subtracted 1 from 34. Let me write it here if you feel that is more convenient to you. So 34 minus 1, 33, and then I found the complement of 34. So complement 9 minus 3, 6, 10 minus 4, 6. Simple. Same rule I applied in 123 into 999. I subtracted 1 from 123, that is, I got 122. Then again use the complement rule, that is finding complement of 123, that is all from 9 and last from 10. So that is 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, and 10 minus 3, 7. So I have the answer. I hope understood. If not, please watch the video again and again, I'm sure, and try doing it on piece of paper initially because you are learning it for the very first time. But eventually, your goal is to do it orally. Okay? So that'll be showing your expertise and your hard work. Okay, moving on to type number 2. First, let me create some space for you people. Okay. Now, type 2 is 23 into 999. I've taken that example here. I hope it's visible to all of you. And here the difference is in the previous one, in type 1, the number of digits in multiplicand, that is the number that needs to be multiplied, and the multiplier, the 9-digit number, the number of digits should be same. But in type 2, the number of digits in multiplicand is less than the multiplier because 23 is a 2-digit number and 999, the multiplier, is a 3-digit number. So, what needs to be done? I write 23 and I add a 0 here. So, I turn this into a 3-digit number, right? And then everything remains the same as in your type 1. That is, you subtract 1 from 23, so you get 22, and then you calculated the complement of 23, but now you will take into account that 0 also. So 9 minus 0, you get a 9. 9 minus 2, you get a 7. And finally, subtracting from 10. So 10 minus 3, you get a 7. Simple. Let me explain it to you again. That I added a 0 to make 23 a 3-digit number. So it becomes 023. And be careful. You have to add it to the left because then it still remains 23. But if you add it to the right, it becomes 230. The number changes. So don't do that. Add it to the left. So 023 is still equivalent to 23. Subtract 1 from 23, I got 22. Then I found the complement of 023. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 10 minus 3 is 7. Simple. We have the answer. Okay, so keep on practicing. Now coming on to the last part of the video, that is type number 3. So obviously, I'm sure you must have understood that in this, the number of digits in the applicant, that is 234, is more than your multiplier. So that is the reverse of type 2. Got it? But even this is a very interesting and simple tip. What I'll do, I'll break 234 into left and right side, but I'll make sure that number of digits in the right side should be equal to the number of digits in the multiplier. So what I can say, I'll say 2, let me put a slash here, 34, right? So now 34, two digits, 3 and 4, 99, two digits, 9 and 9. Now, what I have to do is, now what I will do, I will add 1 to the number 2, the left hand side number, right? So if I add 1, it becomes 3, right? Then what I will do is, I will subtract 3 from 234. So subtracting 3 from 234, now it is which 3? This one, right? So I get 2, 3, and 1, right? And then what I will do, I will find the complement of 34. So the complement of 34 will be 9 minus 3, 6, and 10 minus 4. Yes, 6. And the earlier number was what I found? 2, 3, 1. Simple. I repeat, I broke the number into two parts, 2 slash 34. Why I did that? Because I wanted a two digit number on the left side. So 34 is a two digit number and 99. Then what I did with 2, I added 1 to 2, so it became 3. Then I subtracted this 3 from the original multiplicand, that is 234. So I got 231. I copied this 231 here. And then I found the complement of 34. Yes, the right hand side part. So that becomes 66 because 9 minus 3, 6, 10 minus 4, 6. And yes, I have the answer. Right? So please, I hope you like this and you will keep on practicing because only then you will be perfect and only then there will be benefit of me teaching you new tricks daily. So keep on practicing. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Thank you.